Embark on a voyage around our majestic blue sphere, Earth. A celestial marvel that stirs awe and fascination, Earth is an enduring testament to nature's magic. Immerse in the enchanting beauty of our planet's diverse landscapes. From the expansive savannas home to a myriad of creatures, to the icy tundras providing refuge for polar bears, every nook of Earth pulsates with life. Revel in the planet's wide array of ecosystems, each a vibrant kaleidoscope of life and a complex network of interdependence. Earth in all its grandeur is the sole known celestial body nurturing life, thanks to its life-sustaining atmosphere. A delicate blend of gases, it not merely shields us from the harshness of space, but it also flawlessly regulates our climate and air supply. Every sigh of the wind, every breath we take underscores its life-giving properties. Ponder our planet's abundant water resources. Oceans, lakes and rivers cloak over 70% of the Earth's surface, earning it the epithet the Blue Planet. These waters teem with life, from the tiniest plankton to the colossal whales, all contributing to Earth's ecological equilibrium. Marvel at the captivating variety of natural landscapes that our planet offers. From majestic mountains reaching for the heavens, unending deserts stretching into the horizon, dense forests echoing with birdsong to deep oceans hiding an unexplored world, each landscape is an arena where life's drama unfolds, teeming with its unique characters and narratives. As we navigate through this documentary, we'll stand in awe of the 7 natural wonders of the world. These aren't just sightseeing destinations, they are nature's magnum opuses, each narrating a unique tale. From the vibrantly hued Great Barrier Reef to the awe-inspiring majesty of Everest, each wonder is a testament to Earth's astounding beauty and diversity. Prepare for an extraordinary expedition as we set out to visit the 7 natural wonders of the world. We embark on a journey at the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest reef system. Spanning over 1,400 miles, this marine marvel is the sole living entity visible from outer space. Its vastness is awe-inspiring. Displaying an abundance of biodiversity, the reef is a sanctuary for an array of marine creatures. From colourful coral polyps to countless fish species, from the elusive dugong to the rare green sea turtle, it is a bustling underwater metropolis. It's a mesmerizing blend of colours and shapes, a harmony of life in motion. But the reef signifies more than just its beauty. It is a vital part of our global ecosystem. It functions as a natural barrier, protecting our coastlines from oceanic erosion. Its corals play a crucial role in water filtration, enhancing its transparency and cleanliness. The Great Barrier Reef is more than a collection of corals and marine life. It's a living testament to the tenacity and vibrancy of life beneath the sea. It's a symbol that encapsulates the beauty, complexity and fragility of our Earth. It serves as a powerful reminder of our duty to safeguard and uphold our environment for the generations to come. It's a call to a plea for understanding and protection, a ringing endorsement of human responsibility. It is a humbling reminder of the delicate equilibrium of life on our planet. It is a testament to the resilience of the natural world, to the strength of life amidst challenges. The Barrier Reef, a vibrant and resilient celebration of life beneath the sea. Embark with us on a journey to the Grand Canyon, an exquisite masterpiece sculpted by the relentless force of erosion. The Colorado River, in its ceaseless flow, has carved the Grand Canyon into a spectacular canvas of nature's artistry. Stretching across 277 miles, up to 18 miles wide and diving over a mile deep, this gargantuan gorge is a geological wonder, exposing nearly 2 billion years of Earth's history in its radiant red rock layers. The Grand Canyon is an epic saga of time and water. Over millennia, erosion patiently shaped the canyon, gradually unveiling the chronicles of our planet. Each stratum of its walls offers a chapter from Earth's evolutionary tale, different layers reflecting different epochs. Beyond being a geological spectacle, the Grand Canyon serves as a vibrant biodiversity hub, nurturing a distinct array of flora and fauna. Desert bighorn sheep navigate the craggy cliffs, while endangered California condors glide gracefully over the rim. The canyon pulsates with life, its ecosystem spanning from the arid desert rim to verdant riparian habitats along the riverbanks. The Grand Canyon is also a treasure trove of cultural and historical wealth. For centuries, it has been a hallowed site for Native American tribes, their stories resonating in the canyon's vast expanse. The grandeur of the canyon has sparked the imagination of countless artists, writers and explorers, drawing admiration from multitudes of visitors each year. The Grand Canyon, a timeless wonder shaped by the elemental forces of nature. A demonstration of the potent power of water and time, the Grand Canyon stands as a guardian of Earth's past, a sanctuary of biological diversity and a monument of cultural heritage. It exemplifies nature's magnificent ability to create and evolve, serving as a reminder of these transformations' enduring influence on our planet. Today, we embark on a journey to the extreme north, to observe the ethereal performance of the Northern Lights. This spectacular astral display, also known as the Aurora Borealis, is a marvel of nature that graces the polar skies with a luminous array of green, violet, blue, and sometimes red. The captivating charm of this celestial light show lies in its perfect blend of natural beauty and scientific wonder. In the simplest terms, the Northern Lights are a fascinating consequence of the interactions between the Earth's atmosphere and electrically charged particles from the Sun. These particles, transported by the solar wind, are magnetically attracted towards the Earth's poles. Upon colliding with gaseous particles in our atmosphere, these particles release energy in the form of light, creating the breathtaking Northern Lights. The various colors displayed during this event reflect the different types of gas particles involved, with green being the most common color due to oxygen molecules located around 60 miles above our planet. In addition to their science, the Northern Lights hold a significant position in the cultural beliefs and mythology of societies living in the high north. They have been perceived as manifestations of departed spirits, divine messages, or even gateways to the afterlife. For those wishing to experience this extraordinary natural phenomenon, the prime locations are typically high-latitude regions during winter. Some highly recommended locations include Norway, Sweden and Iceland in Europe, and Alaska, Canada and Greenland in North America. Although the Northern Lights are an unpredictable spectacle, your chances of witnessing them are greatest on clear, dark nights between September and April. So gear up with your warmest attire and anticipate an unforgettable night under the Northern Lights. This captivating celestial performance is a testament to the beauty of our universe, serving as a continuous reminder of our small yet impactful existence within it. The Northern Lights, a celestial ballet that underscores the magnificence of our universe and our meaningful role within it. Join us on a journey to the pinnacle of the Earth, the majestic Mount Everest. This geological wonder has long been recognized as the planet's highest point, with its zenith reaching an awe-inspiring 29,000 feet. Mount Everest's formation is a story that unfolds over a span of 60 million years, a testament to the relentless forces of nature that molded this extraordinary marvel into existence. Born from the tumultuous collision of tectonic plates, Everest bears witness to the incredible dynamism of our planet's crust as it continues to grow taller by a few millimeters each year. The emergence of Mount Everest is a narrative of immense forces that pushed and pulled, squeezed and elevated land until it tore through the sky. But Everest is not merely a geological spectacle, it is a beacon that has beckoned explorers and visionaries from every corner of the world. The challenges of scaling Everest, from punishing altitudes and brutal weather conditions to treacherous ice falls and deep crevasses, are legendary. Yet the of standing where the air is thin and the horizon curves with the earth is an irresistible call to those intrepid enough to make the attempt. Beyond its Everest encompasses deep cultural and spiritual values. To the Sherpa people who have lived under its shadow for generations, it is known as Chomolungma, or Goddess Mother of the World. It's revered as a sacred entity, encapsulating the divine essence of nature. The ascent to Everest's peak isn't merely a physical climb, it's a journey inward, a testament to human strength, resilience and determination. It's a place where ordinary humans accomplish extraordinary feats, and where the seemingly impossible turns into reality. Every step towards the peak brings you closer to touching the sky. Mount Everest is more than a mountain. It's a symbol, a calling, a dream, an odyssey. It stands as a witness to the raw power of nature and the unyielding spirit of humanity. It serves as a poignant reminder that humans are capable of scaling great heights in the literal and metaphorical sense. Mount Everest, the ultimate emblem of human perseverance and aspiration. We're journeying into the planet's beating heart, the Amazon rainforest. A region so dense and lush, sunlight barely filters through. More than half of the world's remaining rainforests call this place home. Welcome to the Amazon, a stunning display of biodiversity, a mesmerizing symphony of life. It's a treasure trove of plant and animal species, many yet to be identified. This is more than a forest, it's an extraordinary climate regulator, Earth's natural thermostat. The Amazon's transpiration process leads to cloud formation and manages global temperature and precipitation, making it a key player in our planet's climate system. This phenomenal forest is aptly known as the lungs of the Earth. Resplendent in biodiversity, the Amazon rainforest is a vibrant tableau of life. From towering trees to crawling creatures, every nook and cranny teems with a diverse array of life. Conservation efforts are tireless and ongoing, ensuring this irreplaceable ecosystem is preserved. Indigenous communities, scientists and environmentalists work hand in hand, safeguarding this natural wonder and its inhabitants. Their aim? To secure the Amazon's future for generations to come. The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet, breathing life into our world. This isn't merely a fact, it's a testament to life's diversity. The future of the Amazon, and indeed the future of our world, rests on the preservation of this incredible ecosystem. On our journey, we've arrived at Victoria Falls, a testament to the enduring and indomitable spirit of nature. This majestic marvel, formed over thousands of years by the relentless Zambezi, is a spectacle that exudes pure, natural power. The river, etching its journey toward the Indian Ocean, carved a passage through resistant basalt, ultimately crafting a chasm so immense and deep it gives birth to the world's largest sheet of falling water. The rising spray, in synergy with the African sun, crafts stunning rainbows, earning the falls its local name, Mosi Uatunya, the smoke that thunders. Victoria Falls is not merely a sight it breathes life into an extraordinary effervescent ecosystem. A luxuriant rainforest thrives on the mist of the spray, a home to an astonishing array of over 400 bird species. This ecosystem stands as proof of nature's resilience, a verdant oasis amidst the dry savanna. The rich cultural and historical significance of Victoria is as captivating as its natural beauty. For centuries, local tribes have held the falls sacred, perceiving it as a place for profound human-spirit interaction. The first European to lay eyes on the falls, Scottish explorer David Livingstone, named it after Queen Victoria in the mid-19th century, thus eternally connecting this African wonder to the global landscape. As a symbol of unity between Zambia and Zimbabwe, the falls represent a shared natural treasure between the two nations. In essence, Victoria Falls is far more than a waterfall. It's a tangible representation of nature's captivating beauty, might. It is a place where one can truly connect with nature, feeling the pulse of the earth, hearing the echo of time, and witnessing life's rhythm in every droplet of water. Victoria Falls reminds us of our intimate connection to the universe, despite our small place within it. Truly, Victoria Falls is a remarkable testament of nature's power and splendor. Journeying across the globe, we marvel at Earth's natural splendors, from the vibrant Great Barrier Reef to the towering heights of Mount Everest, from the vast expanses of the Grand Canyon to the mystical allure of northern lights, from the verdant expanse of the Amazon rainforest to the majestic Victoria Falls, our planet is woven with a rich tapestry of natural wonders. These marvels, crafted by nature over millions of years, are a testament to the Earth's mesmerizing beauty and incredible diversity. They showcase the enormous power of our planet and the delicate balance of its ecosystems. Each wonder is not merely a sight to behold, but a habitat supporting a wealth of life forms. They are critical ecosystems that contribute, maintaining our planet's climatic balance and have been a source of inspiration for countless cultures. Preserving these wonders implies safeguarding the stunning landscapes and diverse ecosystems as well as our planet's history, cultures, and our future. We are ensuring that future generations have the same privilege to marvel at these wonders as we do today. Each of these natural spectacles highlights the beauty, power, and delicacy of our magnificent blue planet Earth. It is a cherished responsibility to protect and preserve this beauty for all life on Earth and for future generations. Each of these wonders serves as a radiant beacon of the beauty, power, and fragility of our remarkable blue planet Earth. We have a duty to protect, enjoy, and preserve this beauty not just for us, but for all life on Earth and for the generations yet to be born.